Hello, viewers. How's life? This is my first debut blog, and in this blog, I am trying to tell uh, about the female lifestyle, the journey of lifestyle, where they have to take a stand, they have to speak for themselves, and they have to speak in a good spoken English, and what all are necessary for today's uh, you know uh, hardcore competition and struggle life, how you have to adjust and win and be successful and happy. I'm telling you something about myself from start to finish. But before I start, please press the like button, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that, of course, this is my debut vlog and I'm trying to give you all the information about how to lead a successful and happy life for a woman in this male oriented world. And soon I'm going to start my second vlog with the concluding part of this. So I don't want you viewer friends to get confused in searching my vlog. So which is why you press the subscribe button along with the bell icon. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share. So shall we proceed? Okay. Uh, Nowadays, I have taken up a career as an English trainer, and I teach a lot of corporate sector and housewife. I teach them how to behave in public, get together, how to speak, what to speak, and how to lead a very respectful life and get respect from your family members and as well as your relatives and your friends. So shall we start? uh, okay. When I was young, I was very naive, vivacious, but at the same time impulsive and spontaneous. But I didn't know anything about the big bad world and how to survive, how to have a stand, what all to speak in a public, how to, interact and put your word across and reach from one level to another level. So I did not know ABC of anything. I wouldn't I here I would be I would like to be honest, friends, that sometimes I was sad and I was a bit unfortunate that in surroundings I did not get my dues. The table did not get its due because most of the time I was mum. Of course, I was a good listener, but like I used to feel that if at all I'm going to speak my mind, probably people will judge me, or maybe they'll mock me, ridicule me, etc., etc. So back of the mind, I had such insecurities, and due to all this, I most of the time I was a good smiling person as well as a good listener, but sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So most of the time I ended up feeling, you know miserable, and most of the time I did not enjoy the conversation because it was a one way traffic. I mean, most of the time I was just quiet and I was just saying yeah, yeah, why not, just one line, just one liner sort of thing. So one fine day I realized that now it's enough, because in my personal get togethers, even though my family, my kid, my husband, everybody is very supportive, they are, in fact, a strong support system as far as I'm concerned. And even in my coaching class, in my tuition, with corporate sector, with housewife batch, with students, all from a certain platform, prestigious platform, I have never ever done any kind of blunder. In fact, till today, in my career of so many years till today, the students, they call me in all the festivals, occasions, good morning, good afternoon. They miss me at times. So I have never ever made mistakes, And initially, like whenever the people, like software engineers from multinational and all that, they used to come to me and they wanted to know whether I'm in a good hand or not. And most of the time, they want, before paying their fees, and before taking admission, they used to ask me so many questions, so many word meanings, so many pronunciation, so that they should, at the end of the day, they should feel that they are in a good hand or they are in the safe hand. So I used to quench their thirst. I used to say that, okay, this is the thing, and these are your queries which has been quenched by me. So, and thereafter they were satisfied. They used to be satisfied, and they used to take admission, paying my fees and stuff like that. So in personal get-togethers or in a personal life, I was introverted, but at the same time, abruptly or randomly, I was very, very outspoken and very, very, successful teacher or a trainer. So it is quite astonishing that same person in personal life, a different persona, and in professional life, different persona. So it's incredible sometimes. But then, friend viewers, especially the female viewers, here I would like to pinpoint one thing, that in case you want to be independent and have a respectful journey of life, always be a very digital person. Have your own account in a social media. Have a Twitter handle, have a Facebook account, and you should know a proper, information about the banking, savings, fixed deposits, etc., etc. Digital person, at the same time, command over spoken English and about the finance, about the banking. And you should speak your mind. You should always enjoy get-togethers and speak your mind, and try to get maximum respect in these get-togethers, personal get-togethers, and personal group and stuff like that. So as of now, I'm signing off. For wait, viewers, for my next video. And before I sign off, press the bell icon, subscribe, and like and share. Thank you. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Take care, friends.